Have you ever noticed how you can feel wired, energetic, and wiped out all in the same hour? That is your dysregulated nervous system. Modern science describes your nervous system in two parts: your sympathetic nervous system, which is your gas pedal, and your parasympathetic nervous system, which is your brake. Now, yogis 4,000 years ago described this phenomena as your masculine and feminine self, Ida Nadi, and your Pingala Nadi. All the pranic nerves, nadis, which exist in the left side of the body are feminine in nature, cooling in nature, called your Ida Nadi. Pranic energetic channels, which is on your right side of the body, is governed by your Pingala Nadi. Together, they form your pranic body. Think of your pranic body as a software running your physical body. And when this software has faults or glitches, it shows up on your physical body. Now, through breathwork and pranayama at the School of Breath, we focus on your pranic body. Once we bring balance in your pranic body, your physical body follows automatically. So today's exercise is going to bring balance in your Ida and your Pingala, your sympathetic and your parasympathetic nervous system. So it's worth investing this 10-minute to bring about balance, and this balance would reflect in all the areas of your life and the task you do. In the next 10 minutes, we'll rebalance your nervous system with alternate nostril breathing. Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Second set we'll introduce something called Kumbhaka, breath hold, which is going to bring deeper steadiness. The third one we do is Supashant Pranayama, which will balance all the elements inside your breath. So without any further, let's begin with the first pranayama. Find a comfortable seated position, keeping your spine straight, coming into Vishnu Mudra. We're going to block the right nostril with the thumb. Inhale from the left. And exhale right. 9. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale left. 6. Exhale right. 9. Inhale right. 6. Exhale left. 9. Beautiful. One more time. Inhale left. 6. Exhale right. 9. Inhale right. 6. And exhale left. 9. Very slowly allow the breath to come out, and we sit in meditation for 30 seconds. Beautiful job. Slowly start to open your eyes. The second one we do is we introduce Kumbhaka, breath holds between the inhale and the exhale. So again, inhaling from the left, 6. Hold 6. Exhale right 9. Inhale right 6. Hold 6. Exhale left 9. Inhale left 6. Hold 7. Exhale right 9. Inhale right 6. Hold 7. Exhale left 9. Inhale left 6. Hold 8. Exhale right 9. Inhale right 6. Hold 8. Exhale left 9. Beautiful. Continue one more round. Inhale left 6. Hold 9. Exhale right 9. Inhale right 6. Hold 9. Exhale left 9. Beautiful job. As you sit in meditation, feel the balance coming into your pranic body. Slowly start to open your eyes. All right, my friends. Now the third round we go into is called Supashant Pranayama. A very simple yet very powerful pranayama to balance the elements of your body. The 5 elements: fire, earth, water, air, and space. So make sure you always do this with the right palm. So bring all the fingers together and bring the tallest finger, the middle finger, towards the tip of the nose. Bring the right thumb under the right nostril, left pinky finger under the left nostril. Inhale 6. Exhale 9. Feel the exhale on the tips of your finger. Continue. Inhale 6. Exhale 9. Inhale 6. Exhale 9. Inhale 6. Exhale 9. One last one. Inhale 6. Exhale 9. Beautiful job. Very slowly come to sit in meditation and feel the balance in your body. Beautiful job. Very slowly start to open your eyes. So before you do anything important, before you start your day, do this 10-minute breathing exercise to bring about balance in your nervous system, bring about balance in your physical body, your pranic body, and you'll see 100% success in whatever you're about to do. We have prepared 3 guided meditation audios to enhance your Kundalini awakening journey. With that, we also include a 21-session ebook that supports your Kundalini journey through daily reflections and tracks your spiritual progress. Link is available in the description below. If today's session was helpful for you, you might like to enroll in our comprehensive step-by-step Kundalini Awakening course. Join us on our Holistic Awakening membership that grants you access to the Kundalini course, along with all the breathwork courses and meditation courses we offer. And you can now download the School of Breath app to access all our courses, guided meditations, and calming sleep music, all in one place. Each day, you wait, you delay your transformation journey. So act now and click in the link in the description below to start your spiritual evolution. I hope you got a little value from this video. If you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and send this video to a loved one who can also get the benefits of yoga, meditation in their life. Until next time, my name is Abhi Duggal from the School of Breath. Namaste, peace, and love.